Welcome back to the garage. We've got the MG Midget in then to start the hard work of changing the gearbox. The gearbox is ready, waiting patiently on the side then. Next job then is to get the engine and gearbox out of this Midget so I can start the preparation, ready to change the gearbox and drop it back in. I've already disconnected the prop shaft at the back. We're draining the oil at the moment to the gearbox and the engine, and then the hard work can start to take this out, disconnect all the ancillaries, radiator off, all the oil cooler, alternator, all the various ignition parts, and then we can start to think about unconnecting the engine mount bolts, ready for the lift. So as you can imagine, that's going to take some hours. I've done other videos on how to do it step by step, so not going to go through that in detail. What we're going to do is set the camera up on time lapse, and you can enjoy in probably about 5 minutes what probably takes me about 6 hours to do. Enjoy. So an hour and a cup of tea in, and progress is good. Radiators off, alternators off, just draining out the oil cooler. Next up then, get the ignition off, disconnect the exhaust, catch tank, oil filter, and then we shouldn't be too far off then. Onward then. Couple of hours in then, and we're pretty much ready for the pull. Disconnected all the clutch, mechanism, starter, speedo cable, undone the gearbox bolts, undone the bolts for the mountings, exhaust is off, all the pipe work's off, catch tank's off, so it's pretty much free to lift now, so we can mount up the rack and sling it up. Engine out then, so we can get the Ribcase gearbox off. So not sure quite what I'll do with that yet, but we'll get that off. And then engine bay can have a right good clean up. I'll give that a coat of paint where necessary, and then we can start to consider the modifications that we need to do down in the tunnel. Forget the torch. So down in the tunnel, in order to take the Type 9 gearbox. So with a little bit more work on the engine, we've got the flywheel off and cleaned up, ready to take the new flywheel to suit the 7.5-inch clutch. And while I'm at it, I'm going to clean up the gasket and replace the gasket here and put a new pulley on the front to deal with a small persistent oil leak I was having from the front crank pulley. So we'll get that all sorted this year. The water pump cover is of course off as well, as we're going to be going electric this year, so a new fitting to go on there, ready to go with the new radiator. The engine bay's all cleaned out, cleaned up inside, ready to go. So next step, probably the next video, is where we'll get all the measurements, we'll get the car up in the air, and we'll do the metal work that needs doing in order to take the Type 9 gearbox. A few parts to buy then, a little bit more research to do, and then we'll get back in the garage. Until then, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all your comments. See you on the next video.